Imagine waking up in 2026, earning more than ever, yet feeling poorer than today. Millions of Americans are working harder, but every year, life feels more expensive. Inflation isn't just raising prices, it's quietly shrinking the middle class. Housing, healthcare, insurance, and food, everything costs more than it used to. If today's trends continue, 2026 could become a turning point for millions of families. The question isn't whether the economy is changing, it's whether you're prepared for what's coming next. For decades, the middle class was America's economic backbone. Today, that foundation is under pressure. Wages have increased in many industries, but the cost of living has often risen even faster. Buying a home has become one of the biggest financial challenges for many families. Everyday expenses, from groceries to healthcare, can quietly reshape a family's budget over time. Many families rely on credit simply to bridge the gap between income and expenses. Understanding these trends isn't about fear. It's about making informed financial decisions before challenges grow larger. The biggest financial gap isn't always income, it's ownership. Many wealthy families focus on acquiring assets that may grow over time, while many households depend mainly on earned income. Inflation can reduce purchasing power, while some assets have historically helped investors keep pace over long periods. Financial knowledge can become one of the most valuable investments a person ever makes. The wealth gap often grows quietly, one financial decision at a time. The good news: building better financial habits can start with one decision today. Financially successful people rarely wait for a crisis before preparing. They focus on owning productive assets instead of constantly upgrading liabilities. Diversification helps reduce risk because no single investment performs the same in every market. Cash flow gives people flexibility when unexpected opportunities or challenges appear. The biggest investment isn't money, it's knowledge, because the people who understand the system are usually better prepared for change. You can't control the economy, but you can control your financial habits. Start by building an emergency fund. Even a few months of savings can provide valuable financial flexibility during uncertain times. Reducing high-interest debt can free up money for future investments instead of monthly interest payments. Invest in skills that remain valuable in a changing economy. Knowledge often creates opportunities that money alone cannot buy. Building wealth is rarely about one big decision. It's usually the result of small, consistent actions repeated over time. The future belongs to those who prepare before everyone else realizes change has already begun. The middle class isn't disappearing overnight. It's changing with the economy, and those who adapt are more likely to thrive. The people who build wealth aren't always the highest earners. They're often the ones who make smarter financial decisions consistently. Every dollar you save, every skill you learn, and every smart investment you make moves you one step closer to financial freedom. The future belongs to those who prepare today, not those who wait until it's too late. Economic trends may change, markets may rise and fall, but financial knowledge will always be one of your greatest assets. If this documentary changed the way you think about money, then you've already taken the first step toward financial freedom. Subscribe to Wealth Decode. Every week, we reveal the financial strategies, economic trends, and wealth lessons that help you make smarter financial decisions.